Hello Andrew, this is Aaron from Voss Motors. I'm making this video especially for you. This is the 2017 FJ09 white version. Currently has 8,460 kilometers on it. The current asking price is $9,888 plus HST and licensing. And here's your VIN for your insurance purposes. It's an 847cc liquid cooled 3-cylinder. It's in the touring, sport touring model. It's very nimble, very light, easy to maneuver. Very clean, comes fully certified. As you can see, is in great condition. Comes with the handguards attached. And this is available. The tires are in great condition. But we also just did get a 2015 FJ09. Has slightly more kilometers on it. I'm taking you to it right now. Has slightly more kilometers, about 19,000. It is a 2015, same model, slightly different color. The current asking price for this one is $7,999 plus HST and licensing. It's currently not clean, but we will clean it for you. You can come take a look at either of these FJs, this 2015 or the white one, which is a 2017. If you have any further questions, you can always contact me at 905-660-2901. My extension is 213. I'd like to thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great day, Andrew.